Although the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) has not officially declared the winner of the Bayelsa state governorship election, jubilation is on by party faithful who are confident of victory for their candidate.
When the INEC announced the result next week, you can see Honorable here. So many people are here. Let's declare the results.
With the results collected so far, you can see the testimonies that are coming in. The result will attest to the fact that the PDP candidate has made tremendous progress in this state, and they have reposed our confidence on him to give him another 4 years for the accumulation of the dividends of democracy.
We the PDP, we are very, very happy because Bayelsa is the best governor in Bayelsa State. Our governor Bayelsa is going to win, and he's already winning.
However, some supporters of a particular party had raised allegations that results from Nembe Basambri in Nembe Council area were manipulated and should be cancelled.
We are here because we don't want a situation where our votes will not count. So we don't want a situation where we fall back to a situation where we cannot stand.
Even the island, there was no proper election. We just entered the election. Based on that, we are all here to prepare to ensure that because of the confidence we have in the to cancel those areas. We are not even worried with the two votes. Maybe the two votes. We are not worried. Because it's about the people. The legitimate vote that Bayelsa have voted for His Excellency.
As at the time of filing this report, the candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and Governor of Bayelsa State, Senator Doyediri, was on the lead in the results announced so far by the electoral umpire. Ode John, AIT News, Yenagoa, South Nigeria.